everyone, my name is Kwame Poku, and what we're about to do is demonstrate the theater mode. If your BMW is equipped with the 31-inch drop-down screen, what is that? If you look up over here, there's a 31-inch television up top. There is a way to put that down and actually have a lot of effects on the car. So what we're going to do is if we look forward and we hit down here on the My Modes button, you have all these different modes. But if it has a 31-inch screen, it'll have a button called Theater. Look what happens when I hit the Theater button. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yes, I do agree. All right, so now that we're back here, this is what you mainly use. The BMW 31-inch is actually nothing more than Fire TV. So if you have an Amazon Prime account and log in, then you can basically get to all your apps. So right over here is how you can basically use most of the apps and things on the TV, as you can see. So I'm going to scroll right over to, we'll say Netflix. All right, so I'm going to scroll over here. Select my Netflix account, and you see I have all these different accounts. So I have myself, my wife, and I've got my kids. So my kid ever wants to watch something, I can select this, and it pulls up all his little kids' accounts. So if he loves watching Paw Patrol, I can hit OK. I can resume from playing from what he was watching, and it works. So you can go ahead and increase the volume right here. And then right here on the displays, because I noticed it's a little bit small. If you go to the displays, this is 16 by 9, 21 by 9, 32 by 9, which is the full screen. So we're going to go, actually, let me use the controller. Hold on. That's 21. And this is the full 32. So that's the biggest part of the screen. So you can have literally full use of the entire screen. All right. Then we can go ahead and increase the volume. Right here, we can mute it. Has all the controls right there. So that's pretty cool. And this works while driving. The internet plan actually works very well. And then, for $20 a month, you could sit back here, watch movies on your lunch break. You've got kids, they've got something to entertain themselves. And it works well. It's what they want to watch. And it works well on the BMW screen. So, my name is Kwame Poku, and this is the 2026 BMW 740i with a 31-inch drop-down screen.